Hey guys, today I'm going to talk about how to put a MV Agusta shock on a Yamaha Virago, first gen. First of all, why would you want to change the shock? Out of the 20 Viragos that I've done, almost all of them had blown shocks. Rusted, blown, absolutely no suspension at all, just a crazy bounce. They have this adjuster that comes out of the shock and it goes out about like 13 inches and you have to find a place to mount in. It looks super dated and usually really rusted. There's a lot of options out there when it comes to rear shocks for the Virago. I'll make a whole nother video when it comes to that, but my first choice I'd recommend is the MV Agusta rear shocks for a number of reasons. One is they have the best ride out of all of them that I've tested. Two is because they have a lot of adjustability. You can adjust the compression, dampening, and release as well. So if you want to go to the track or like the canyon, you can just stiffen it up. And three, I think it just looks the best. I put the R6 front ends on my bikes, which are usually gold. So how do we mount it? Basically, you have to fabricate a bunch of brackets and spacers to make it fit. Could be daunting if you don't know how to weld or use a lathe. I would recommend going to a machine shop and having them make the pieces for you and maybe try welding it yourself. It could be a lot of work, but basically the gist of it is to hold up the shock, or any shock really, and try to visualize the pieces that you need to make and weld in order to fill in the gap. I used about a 1/4 inch flat bar, about maybe 3 or 4 inches thick, and then a round bar welded onto that where the fork goes to fit the stock bolt. All right, this is the third option. This piece of aluminum makes this shock bolt-on. So instead of fabricating all of the brackets and all of the welding and all that, you can just buy this. The company that makes it is Still. I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to check them out. So basically it goes here and it makes it bolt-on. So it'll slide in right underneath there, and then you just put on the stock factory bolt. This kit here comes with the spacers. So all you need to do is stick these in and throw them in, and then you're good to go. You guys like the video? Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.